Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this pretty pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater, jeans sweater. This is how it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast in multiples of 2, or you can cast in any even number stitches, right? This is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast in multiples of 2. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 14 stitches on my needle. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 knit all stitches. Row 4 purl all stitches. Row 5. Row 5 slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, bring the n in front and leave this n in front, knit 1 like so, and then purl 1 and yarn in back, and now pass this this loop, right, this loop over these 2 stitch like so, like so. That's the repeat. Again, bring the n in front, leave this n in front, and then knit 1, purl 1 and pass over. Pass this loop or stitch over these 2 like so, right? And in front, knit 1, purl 1 and back and pass over. And in front, knit 1, purl 1 and in back and pass over. yarn in front, knit 1, purl 1, yarn in back and pass over. One more repeat, yarn in front, knit 1, purl 1 and pass over, and your edge stitch, last edge stitch, knit. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. First knit 1 and now start the repeat first after these 2 stitch. So for repeat pattern, bring them in front, knit 1, purl 1 and pass over. That's the repeat. These 2 stitch again, yarn in front, knit 1, purl 1 and pass over. Yarn in front, knit 1, purl 1 and pass over. Yarn in front, knit 1, purl 1 and pass over. Yarn in front, knit 1, purl 1 and pass over. Last 2 stitch, knit 1 and edge stitch, knit. Row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. After your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.